Please mute yourself. Mute yourself, please. Now, you don't want to shortcuts. Desktop shortcuts. Shortcuts in ezibera kuno ku desktop kungulu. Netugamba shortcuts osobola okucreatinga program yo n'ogicreatinga nga shortcut ku desktop okwanguyiza okutuuka gyeri. Oba folder yo n'ocreatinga shortcut ya folder yo ya file ku desktop kuno kungulu okwanguwa obeera ng'ogyopeninga. Netugamba for example, nyinza okuba nina WhatsApp ku computer kuno. Naye buli nayagala okugulawo app yange ya WhatsApp, nina okugenda no ku start menu wansi. And then nzije noonya all programs noonye ki? Noonya WhatsApp bye nagisanga. For example, WhatsApp yange paka ku W. Wano. Then ndyoke njigulewo. Oba nja kujja ku search bar wano, nsearchingemu ekigambo ki? WhatsApp. Ndyoke njigula. Every time naaba njagala okugulawo nina okujja either ku search bar oba nengenda ku start menu okukebera all programs. But singa njicreatingira shortcut, anytime nandiyaga wenjagalira ogibikula, ngenda bugenzi ku desktop nenzigulawo ki? Shortcut. Nfujja okujja okukebera eno nja kujja buzi wano weri shortcut yayo njibe opening. So how would you create app series where ngoina or creating a shortcuts kwezo apps over kwezo files and folder? It is simple. Go to start menu jogenda okusanga all those programs. Then in your WhatsApp, for example, WhatsApp njagala creating a shortcut. So I will click and hold, click and hold, and then drag. Omalo dropping ku desktop. Dropping ku desktop menu. So creating the link yachi ya WhatsApp one. So next time whenever njagala okugula WhatsApp, sija kwemenya ate kudde eno oba kudda no ku search bar, I will just open kweno shortcut ya WhatsApp and I just open. Ngatuse da ku WhatsApp yange. What about file? Nizo kuba file nina file oba folder naye ngeri wala njiteka mu storage mu computer storage yange ku hard drive yange ko nagitereka. So kitegezo gibikula we mana tereka file ku hard drive nina ogenda either mu file explorer oba nengende no okugula storage yange nja kujja eno, I right click and I open, and then I open here the storage. For example, njagala ku accessinga folder eitiwa vane. Ojjala bango budde ntwala buwanvu ne processing ampanvu. So ate singa creatinga vane nenji creatinga shortcut ku desktop menu, mfo kyo kujja eno nja kubanzigulanga obuguzi shortcut erije na creating eri. So how do you create a shortcut for the for a folder or a file? It is very simple. Right click on that file or folder, and then among options no option is called send. If you check here ngatulaba option is called send, gena wano ku show more, and then from here look for send. It's right here, and then ku send option is inaja jangu wano sanga wali desktop in brackets create shortcut, then select that one. But tunagenda okuddayo ku desktop menu yaffe tujja kusanga folder yaffe shortcut ya folder yaffe itwa vane one. So anytime next time whenever njagala okugulawo kibayita vane, I'll just open this shortcut. And twagambye omuntu nawanaja na deletinga shortcut endo kitegeeza mbu adeletinze folder yo. Omuntu nawanaja na deletinga shortcut zino abata deletinze application yo, abata deletinze software yo, abata deletinze just we're muting naawe please. Abata deletinze shortcut. This is a recording. So that is simply how to create shortcuts ku desktop. Ekirala kinagala twogereko files. Mbaza ku files zonna twagamba mu file tulinamu ebifaananyi photo files, tulinamu music files oba audio files, tulinamu video files, tulinamu ne documents oba. Please mute yourself. Documents. So all files tuzi openingira mu applications. Onogulawo ekifaananyi ojja kigwirawo mu application ebifaananyi, gulawo ebifaananyi. So Windows ajja ne applications ezo ezisobola okubeera nga tugambo yagala kuplayinga music nga alina wagenda okubeera nga ali played, tugambo yagala kuplayinga video nga alina wagenda okuba nga ali played, but tekitegeeza tosobola ku downloadinga notekako ezo zowera zoyagala kubeera nga okozesa to play, to edit your files. So for example, I have this music. When I open this music, by default Windows ajja kunoonya app when nagamba open, automatically ojja kulaba nga ina application player mwakoze ki mwali open, ina player mu playing. This is an app player yitibwa media player. Usually app eno ejjirako ku ki ku Windows, ejjirako ku computer, but also gamba asagala kumuopeningira mu yo app, so you can right click on it instead of going to open, no gamba open with. From here no selecting app jogera jagala okubeera nga okola ki ngokozesa anything, even a document you can right click on it, any file, and then instead of saying open you can just go and say open with, no selecting jogera jagala application jagala okukozesa to open it. If you just click open, computer jakubi openingira mu default player, mu default yo jemanyi nti je yagala okukozesa, but nawe ngo omuntu so gamba anjagala open with, no selecting ngo jogera jagala okukozesa. Sindio? Working with Flash. What is a Flash, by the way? What is a Flash? A Flash is a small removable hard drive ebanga storage ka Flash. Abatamanyi Flash guys, wali watamanyi Flash kuma mwena? Exactly. Flash tujikosa kutekako ennyimba, okutekako videos, okutekako ebifaananyi. Now okuyiga to work with Flash is very important eri omuntu asoma computer, because Flash is one of the way you will bring your files from one computer to another computer. Is one of the way you are going to transfer files from this computer to another computer, or from a computer maybe to the DVD player, maybe to the smart TV, maybe to any player, maybe radio or sound player. Files as a music file, video files, you always ogitambuliza ku Flash. On top of Flash tuna kibaita card reader. Card reader nayo eba yakulanga Flash. Card reader, memory card reader. Nkeso ina memory card kwa kuli ebintu byo era netugiraba yafananamu ngaki nga Flash. Yafananamu nga Flash. So therefore Flash disk oba card reader biyingira mu kituli kyekimu ku computer, biyingira mu port etya emu efanana bweti eya USB bweti. So it is very simple. Flash is really cheap. So ogula Flash yo notekako ebintu byo music omutadde ku Flash, so omujja omuteka. It's the only way you are going to transfer your files as much as easily as you can. So how do you connect a Flash? It is very simple. Begin by inserting a Flash in a USB port ku computer yo. Computers zonna ziba n'ebituli omugenda devices in a USB. So what do? Kwata Flash yo. Please mute yourself and make sure you can see me. This is our Flash. Can you see the Flash? This one. So kwata Flash yo locate ononye ekituli mwegenda nabagamba kumanya ekituli magezi mazaale. Tosobola kwata Flash n'ogifumita mu katuli akagenda mu headset. So tunula Flash gyogenda ofumita n'ekituli wogenda okola ki? Wogenda ofumita. Exactly. Then fumita mu computer yo. Depending on computers zimu zijja kukuleetera akantu bwe kati. Mukala wano wentambuliza?
Yeah.
Computers endala ejja kukuleetera akabox akalaga nti open oba anything. Computers endala eyinza obutakuleetera kantu konna depending on computer settings. Ezimu eyinza obutakuleetera kantu konna newankubadde ofumisemu flash. So what happens? Where are you going to allocate this flash? Flash eno ogenda gisangawa. Tugambye computer ezimu eyinza okuleetera akantu akafaanaganako bwe kati. Ate computer endala netakuleetera kintu kyonna. So where are you going to allocate this flash? Flash eno ogenda gisanga gy'osanga storage ya computer yo. Oba osobola ogisanga ng'oyise mu file explorer. So flash drive ojja gisanga gy'osanga ki? Computer storage gy'osanga hard drive. What tugisangawo hard drive? Twagamba ko eno icon eyitibwa this PC. Right click here and then open. And then from here tusobola okulaba eno hard disk yaffe ate eno eki? USB drive. Flash yaffe. N'olwekyo gy'openinga okulaba ebiriko. Just as you open other things, right click and choose open. Era bino ebintu ebiri ku ki? Ku flash yaffe. Eno music ali ku flash yaffe. Now tuyige tugenda kukolagana tutane flash. Maybe flash eno omuntu andetedde music ono mwagala. Nkopinga atya music ono mujja ku flash omuteeka ku computer. Nzija atya music ono okumujja ku flash okumuteeka ku computer. Tuddayo ku file system. How do you copy and paste? Mulyangazi, copy and what?
Paste.
So it means music ono emba mwagala kuno nja kukola copy and paste. Oba nkole cut and paste, nkole ku copy and paste oba cut and paste?
Copy and paste.
Because twagamba tukola cut kitegeeza wano tuba tugenda bikola ki?
Kubisimuulirawo ddala.
So how do I select music files zino? How do I select?
Click on one.
Click on one.
Click and hold and hold. Click and hold.
How do I select all these ones?
Click and then control button.
Placing a so selecting one file, then placing a control button, okay?
And then A. Press A.
And then A.
And select all.
It means bino bana because echi selecting.
Selecting.
And bwe njagala bitwala ku computer wange, then kitegeeza nina ku right clicking and I choose what?
One of them. Then you press OK.
Right click and choose copy. We're okay. I choose what?
Copy.
Then ngenda ku computer wange njagala obikola ki? Obiteeka. Can you look very well?
Yes, teacher.
We are in file what? File what? File drive.
Explorer.
So twagamba mu file explorer eba ne screen bbiri wana wanene ne wana watono. So when I click one time ebibeera muno nga birabikira wa? So tuze ndu clicking ku this PC ebiri mu this PC ne birabikira wano. And then we go to flash yaffe. To open it we can right click and choose open. Tugambe twagala copying as enyimba eziriko, tugambe to place to selecting esooka ne tunyiga ku keyboard ne tunyiga pencil ya control tulemeza ko olugalo ne letter A.
No selecting A.
We tumaliriza to right clicking in one of these selected files ne tufuna option egamba ki? Gamba copy. Tumala obikopinga. Now tugenda ku bino nga tubikopinze ku computer yaffe kutwagala obiteeka, twagala biteeka mu folder ki. Awo nno tusobola gamba tugende mu ki, maybe mu desktop. Tukyali munda. Anye tugambe tubiteeka mu ki, mweno folder. Selecting a folder. Onogigulawo then inside, right click, ochoosing ki, paste. Kitegeeza obikopinze okuva ku computer n'obiteeka ku ki, obikopinze okuva ku flash n'obiteeka ku ki, computer. Asooka embisangule. What if twagala kopingamu nnyimba zimu na zimu? Tugambe okubikula flash yaffe tusobola okugenda ku this PC oba tugenda kusobola okugenda wano ku kibayita ki, File Explorer. Wetugenda ku File Explorer, wetutuukayo okukebera flash yaffe weeri tujja gisanga eno wansi ku this what? This PC. And then tunakirikinga ku this PC twagambe biri mu this PC biri mu kyokirikingako eno omundi gumu biri mu bye birabikira wano. Era ne tuba tukirikinze wano ku this USB drive, ebiri mu USB drive nga birabikira wa? Awanene. And then from here tusobola gamba twagala kukopamu bimu na bimu, selectinga not all naye multiple, ebimu n'ebimu. Twagamba soko selecting file esooka, then pressing a control or shift button. Ogende ngo selecting other zobirazo yagala. Bono maliriza kuzino zo selectinze londako emu right clicking eko, and then if you want to copy or choosing a copy, if you want to delete or delete or choosing a delete, if you want to cut or choosing a cut, if you want to open or choosing a open. This time ensonga twagala kukopa kuva ku flash kuteeka ku computer tujja choosing eyitibwa ki, copy. Utunamalolezo okopinga tukyali munda munyini mu File Explorer tugamba okay tubikopinze wano ku flash katwagala biteeka mu folder eyitibwa etya, tugambe eno. Selecting a folder, and then onotuukawo you can right click and then choose paste. Vice versa. Oba oyagala kola ki? Yogera nnyo. If you want to copy every single file,
Only one. She's saying only one.
only one file, right click on the file and then select what?
You also use the control button?
Ate for what? It's one.
No control button.
No control button. You just right click on that one file. For example, here twagala eno, you just right click on it. No need for control. Of course, it's going to be one file. Unless singa ziba zigenda kubeera bit, then you need to place control. So how would you copy from a computer to a flash disk? Let us say njagala copyinga file eno eriko midterm results. Njikopinga njije ku computer njiteke ku ki? Ku flash. Tuyina enkola za mirundi ebiri. Nsobola ogamba obugambe with dealing with flash, I can just right click on this file. Nenfuna options, among options nonya option eriko send. Bwe mba sijira among here nja kujja wali more options, show more options. Nonya option eriko ki? Send. And then from one ngamba send to
Use the USB drive.
Era mba nsindise ngamba send to USB drive kitegeeza file eyo nsindise ku flash.
Okay.
Oba nsobola ogamba I right click on that file jinjagala, for example this one. I choose what?
Okay.
I choose copy. Then ngenda flash jinjo gisanga, for example ngenze mu File Explorer. Flash yange yine eno wansi. Then I right click in any space, or I can right click on it and I choose what? Tuli ku kyebayita copy and paste. Engeri gy'otransferinga ebintu okujja ku flash ng'obiteeka ku computer yo, olina sooka biselectinga, nomano right click nga nochuzinga copy, n'ogenda ku computer oyagala obiteeka oba folder mwagala obiteeka, no right click nga koyo folder nochuzinga paste. Bw'oba oyagala kujja bintu ku computer ng'obiteeka ku flash, genda ebyo ebintu file ezo weziri zoyagala okukopinga okuva ku computer, sooka oziselectinge. Womala selecting right clicking eko ochuzinge copy, omala oddeyo ku flash yo weeri, o right clicking ku flash yo ochuzinge kyebayita paste. It is copy and paste. Copy and what?